Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we do unit number 1, sets. Set. A set is a collection of well-defined objects. The term well-defined means that there is no uncertainty about which object belongs to the set and which does not. There is no repetition of element in a set. The word uncertainty means it's not doubt. It is very clear then which elements are belongs to the set of which element does not. For example, set of all even numbers, and it's very clear. Sets notation. A set is denoted by capital letters. The members, entries or objects of the set are called elements which are placed within curly bracket. For example, A is a set of red, blue, yellow, and A shows that set denoted by the capital letter enclosed with the curly bracket, and red, blue, yellow are elements of the set A. Every element in a set is separated by a comma. If the elements of sets are alphabets, then these elements are written in small letters. For example, B is a set of the English alphabet. So we can write it. B is a set of A, B, C up to the Z and close with a curly bracket. How is a set represented? A set can be represented in 3 forms: descriptive form, set builder form, tabular form. Descriptive form, when the set is described in words. For example, A is a set of first 5 natural numbers. It's very clear. And R is a set of 4 sports channel on TV. Set builder form, when the properties satisfied by the elements of the set are written as a rule. For example, set of A is equal to X, and this symbol and that symbol is read as such that X is a natural numbers and X less than 6. And F is a set of X such that X is a letter in the word bubble, and which letter is repeated, we write only once time. Tabular form, when the elements of the set are listed distinctly within a pair of curly brackets. For example, the set of whole numbers less than 6 can be represented in the tabular form as A is the name of, we denote the set as the capital letter equal to the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Types of sets. Here is a quick look at the different types of sets: empty set, finite set, infinite set, disjoint sets, overlapping sets, equivalent sets, and equal sets. Empty set. A set containing no elements, it is denoted by empty set or phi. The symbol is read as a phi. For example, B is a set of integers between 0 and 1. And 0 and 1 we have no integer. So it's empty set. Finite set. A set containing only fixed number of elements and it is countable. For example, C is a set of X such that X is a square numbers and X less than 20. Infinite set. A set which is not finite and which is uncountable. For example, D is a set X such that X is an integers and X greater than 10. Disjoint sets. Sets which have no common elements between them. For example, it shows in the name that disjoint, nothing is a common, no one element is common. So E set is equal to 2, 3, 4 and F set is equal to the 5, 6, 7, and in between these two sets no one element is common. Overlapping sets. Sets which have at least one common element between them. For example, G is a set of 1, 2, 3 and H is a set of 2, 3, 4. And from these two sets, 2 and 3 is a common elements in these two sets and it is called overlapping sets. Equivalent set. Sets which have equal number of elements. For example, J is a set of 1, 4, 6 and K is a set of A, B, C. Both sets have the same number of elements, that is 3. 1, 2, 3 elements in J set, 1, 2, 3 elements in a K set. It's called equivalent sets. Equal sets, sets which contain the same elements. For example, L is a set of 2, 4, 6 and M is a set X such that X is a positive multiple of 2, X less than 7, that are 2, 4, 6. Equal sets, the number of elements should be same, 1, 2, 3, and the number elements are also same. So in exercise 1A, question number 1 is write the sets below in a set builder form, tabular form, and write the cardinal number of each set. Cardinal number is represent to the set's element. How many elements are included in a set? So solution of part number A is all possible numbers formed by any two of the digits 1, 2, 5. And solution for it is set builder form. It is descriptive form and will be write in a set builder form that A set is equal to X such that X is a number formed from any two digits 1 to 5. And tabular form of A part is all possible number 1 to 12, 15, 25, 21, 51, 52. These are all elements of set A and its number is 6. Cardinal number is 6. Solve the remaining question according to the question number 1A. Thanks.